Let's see here. Welcome in everybody. We are doing a fresh playthrough of Silent Hill 2. We're in Game Plus. We are playing on the hardest difficulty. I'm actually go at this game. It's really easy to play. Like, don't get me wrong. It's really easy to play. So, just sit back, eat some food, eat some popcorn. Fuck. I don't know. Do whatever you want. Whatever makes you happy. Can I turn on? Do I have a flashlight? No, I don't have a flashlight. Okay. Let's go over here. Okay, let's not go there though. You want to mess with me, bro? Are you serious? You want the smoke? I'll give you the smoke. Oh, we're gonna ring around the rosy. Oh no, I'm going over here. Oh, I'm going over here. You really want to die? All right, come here. You're so small. Come here. Let me kill you. Good girl. So, the thing about this game is that it is so convoluted to the point where you really have to tap into this main protagonist's head. Hear me out. James is mentally ill, as we know. He suffered through grief. And through grief, we often fantasize and embellish things that are wrong. But for coping mechanisms, there can be better ways. He simply was in a relationship for so long that he fantasized about other women, his body parts, fucking them, seducing them, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Going to strip clubs, fighting women, living life. But he couldn't do that because he was withheld by Maria, and so essentially he was struggling over and over again with depression and grief, the seven deadly sins essentially. Um, Go to the anime too, by the way. That's the point. I love this game because it really deals with your psyche. It gives you this intonation about how a mentally ill person is portrayed in the game. And that is what I love about psychology and just games in general is that you can make anything you fucking want with your brain. Hear me out. I'm gonna be making this game where it's open world and it is in my own like fantasy world. It's gonna be like an RPG game, and it'll be set in like a zombie apocalypse DayZ kind of vibe, but it is in like the medieval century. So like it has like medieval zombies, medieval warfare, medieval tactics, but you traverse through like a horse or like a wagon, and like you try and find your huz, your 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 maiden. You try and find your maiden. You're maidenless. How do you feel? Shout out to Ellen. I love Ellen. Wait, I'll show you something so cool. Hold on. Let me put you on for real. I hope I get it. First try. Probably not though. Isn't that sick as fuck though? Me, I can change it manually. Anyways, you're still playing it. I honestly, I respect that, low key. I'm glad. Let's do this, and then we'll choose. There you go. My bae, my waifu, my non-existent waifu, Ronnie. Mommy? Sorry. Mommy? Sorry. Mommy? Mommy Ranny? Please cosplay as her. Oh my god. M word. I'll murder you. Oh, let's check out the map. Oops. So where am I at right now? Oh, I know where I'm at. I don't need a map. Never mind. I'm just in the west side. Oh, Ricky, habla español. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué pasa? Eh, muy bien, muy bien. ¿Todo bien? I learned Spanish because of y'all, low key. Oh, huh?
Taxi,
What?
telepon number one taxi.
Oh, yeah, 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 for sure. Here, I'll send it to you. What's up? Damn, look at that arch. Why does it jiggle? Why is it jiggling, chat? I, I'm sick as fuck. I am just as sick as James is. Let's just say that. How about that? Okay. Use bar. All right, we're gonna go. We're gonna go there. I guess. I guess that's gonna be your next objective. Let's go to the bar. Nah, I make my own way. Get me out of here. Thank you. All right, instead of going left, we're gonna go down Martin Street. Wait, we've been here already. This is gonna lead straight to the fucking. I don't need to go here. Yeah, I don't need to go here. Never mind. Fine, we'll go near this bar. Whatever. Is this open? Fuck, it's not. This is the safe over there. I remember. Because that was the only safe that I didn't fucking open. I got pissed. I didn't get to fucking 100% it. What's up, pretty girl? Damn, you looking fine. What's up, shawty? Damn. Damn. Come here. Good girl. I'm gonna stop doing that. I feel uncomfortable. I promise. Maybe once I see the nurses, I'll think about it. Hey, bye. What'd that mouth do for real, though? You know, all you need is a fucking bag over someone's head, and you don't have to worry about how they look. It's just facts. If you don't like the person, just put a bag over their head, and you'll feel better. That man was here again. I told him he'd be wrong not to come here. He acted like he didn't know who I was talking about. Anyway, he got up and left. He didn't make any sort of fuss, but there's something about him that just gives me the creeps. When I look at his face, it's Like I'm staring at a mask and there's something underneath running to get. I'm waiting to get out. I don't want to be next when that happens. Damn, look at all this fucking cutlery. It's so... Damn, there's even a fucking menu? What the hell? American dishes open at all hours. So, yo, that's sick. 24/7? Hell yeah. I love fast food diners. They're just so cozy and like they're the best. Hi. So like I'm behind you by the way. Yeah, turn around. Good job. Bye. Yeah. I think I need a challenge. Nah, I deserve to kill him easily in one hit, bro. It just makes life so much easier, honestly. Interesting. Okay, can't leave up there. Okay. I guess we can't go up there, so we'll just do it again. Sure. That was useless. Left or right? Left or right? What's up? Bye. Mm. Oh, we're going to the RV. I remember. Hey. Hi. This probably might have some raffle ammo. Nothing? Bro, that's lame. You always have something. What the fuck? Can you pop your trunk? No? Alright. Fine. That's not gonna break. Anything in here? No, okay. I remember this map easily. It's really easy to remember maps if you just remember where. Oh, damn. Bro, why are you so bad for real? Yo! What the fuck? That's unnecessary. Why is girl spreading your legs like that? What the fuck, bro? I'm home! 99-cent burgers. Happy burger. King size? Hey, that's me. What's up? Bye. Who's next? You? Bye. Yeah, fuck you. Die. Ah! Okay, stop. I guess we know where we're going next. Oh, what's in here? Anything? No? No? Okay, fine. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, choo-choo. I guess that's it here. Yeah, my work here is done. What the fuck? Do you really want the smoke? Are you sure about that? Are you sure? Oh, wait, go. Hey, Ricky, let me show you the car I'll be getting. I'm buying so many cars. Because, like, I can. I have too much money. Why not? I don't care. I got a black coupe. I got a yellow coupe. I got a purple one. I'm probably gonna buy this for my wife and shit. Look at it. It's so clean. Oh, it's black. No, it's black and red. Black, red, and gray. A little bit of some yellow paint. That's fine. No biggie. This is more. I think this is like the second car that I'll be buying. Um, it's great. I might get a Mercedes Benz. I have no limit. I have a lot of money. I'm a millionaire. I don't care. It's whatever. Wow, that's so good. Reminds me of a car from GTA. I mean, like that's all cars from GTA. It's just like, this one's also fucking fire as hell, bro. Like, holy shit, it's so good. The Mach 1 Mustang, bro. The Vin Diesel type shit right here. 1960. Oh my god, look at that. Put some over here too, for real. And let's get a new bike Corvette. Because, like, when I 130K, it's nothing for me. I mean, it's a lot of money, but, like, it's not a lot for me. 39K. It's so cheap. Holy fuck. Oh my god, look at those fucking rims. Look at those seats. Look at that back hood. Oh my god. Holy shit, that's so sexy. Fuck! Oh my, I'm getting hard just looking at this. And it's a manual too! Yo, it's hype. But let me show you the car that I'm actually getting now. Something like this. No, 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 it's not like that, actually. Damn, look at this bad boy. Holy shit. Yo! What the fuck? That's good. Oh my god. This is Knoxville, though. It's so far away. I'm good. Wait, I might be getting a convertible as well. Oh, this looks so good, too. Shit, that red is so deep. Fuck. I know I'm getting green. Yeah, I'm getting a color like this. Yeah. Damn, it looks so good. It's in Pennsylvania? What the fuck, bro? But I keep getting shit from... Damn, look at that Grande. Holy shit. 73. Hey, Mazda, Miata. Holy fuck. Hell yeah, dude. Look at that suspension. Holy fuck, that's low. I'd be scared to drive that in, like, off-road. Or, like, on a, Damn! And never any rust is crazy work. Bro, this shit is so well taken care of. I'll buy it too. Okay. Oh my god, yes, dude. Look at that. Fuck, it's so cool. South Carolina. Oh my god. That's also in South Carolina. That's in Ohio. Okay. Minute. What the fuck is MD? Um, Maryland? Yeah, Maryland. I'm not fucking going all the way to Maryland. I've been there already. It's useless. There's nothing there. Ooh, look at that green. That's nice. Just put like 12,000. Let's do 15K actually. Why not? I don't care. I have no budget. I am the budget. I am the one that knocks. Honestly, can I just get one like 20 miles away? Like, that'd be great. Literally anything from Lexington is okay. Should I go get a new car right now, guys? Do you think they'd be open? Let me go check. I think they're open like, hmm. I'll go to Ford, honestly. Um, 12K. Fuck yeah, dude. Oh my god, yes. Look at this 2020 coupe, bro. I cannot wait. 25K? I'll buy it. It's fine. I don't mind. A Pontiac? That'd be fire. Okay. Wait, what's your username on fucking Discord? Wait, what's your username on Steam? Who are you? I'll mod you for real. Just message me. Low key, guys. I'm gonna go take a shit. Spit on that thing. Haktua. Yeah, it's just the Brookhaven shit. Yep, here's a truck. He's gonna jump scare you once you grab it. Oh, okay. He's coming out. Oh, you're coming out. Let's go. Bye. Check from 0 to 4013. Took almost 2 hours. Had to run. Man is stretching. You'll see sooner or later. You'll see. Interesting. Unsettling, as usual. Oh my god, I love the ambiance of this game, but like it's terrifying. Generally, it's terrifying. Wait, who are you on? Let me try and guess who you are. It's not you. No, I don't know it anymore. Oh, it's a little tiny little guy. There's a little fella. There's a tiny little fella. Okay. Come on, wait. Oh no. No, where are you? Oh, cool. I see. なるほど。This. でした。What the fuck is going on? Alright, let's see here. Okay. Let's go. Let's go here. Let's just go down this road. Pharmacy. No, I can't go inside it. I'm gonna leave you alone. Oh? Have we been in here already? I don't think so. What the fuck? Yo, what the hell? You're so happy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. What's up, little spider? Bye, little spider. This is decimated with my fucking chainsaw, bro. Saw short apartments. Okay, cool, 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 cool. We're making progress. I think we get a finger here, and we get a very important key. 2 and 5. Ooh, can I tie you up with that? What is this? I'm horrified when this key says there's a leak from upstairs. Gotta check it out. Okay. Ooh. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. That's so much meds. I mean, I've spent a lot of money like that on meds before, but like my insurance covers it. There should be a vial that I can take from here now. Really? What the fuck? Alright, this is not standard. Never mind. We don't get shit for free. Okay. Okay, we're leaving. Hello? Hi. I can tell you're nearby me because the static gets loud. Just common sense. Oh fuck, we're gonna enter a moment where you have to like fucking dig in and be all disgusted and ugh. I don't look forward to it. Oh no. I have to go upstairs. She's just a girl and she's on fire. Yo! Stop! Oh my god. Even though it hasn't been okay, longer I back, wonder I hardly end my life. I can't read the rest. And I just can't even want it to end all the way. It all started to make sense again. It's this place, I can't fight it. Gotta get my head straight. Gotta get it out. Gotta get out because I want it all. I'm trying to fuck me a golf bunny tonight. I'm kidding. Am I really? I don't think so. Oh no, it's this. Oh no. I hate this. I get so much anxiety, but I know nothing's gonna happen. It's just the squishy sounds, bro. Just do it! Just do it! Do it, pussy! Do it! Oh, finally. We're gonna put that on a fucking. We need to find 3 more items to progress the story. How do I know? Because I played the game 5 times. Bro, the fucking door came on his hand, man. So black tar. So how do I get down? No, shh. Don't do that again, please. Thank you. What's up, Slengerina? Tangerina? Bye. Very interesting. It seems like they're attracted to light, louder sounds as well. If you want to survive, stay in the dark, stay quiet. What's up? Bye. This place, all it's ever brought me is pain and misery. For real. That's so pretty. What the fuck? Bro's having a good time, for real. I mean, hell yeah, good for him. Hey, if he's happy, I'm happy. Ain't that right? Henry's sleeping. So this place is completely done. We don't have to go here anymore. What's up, Cylindrina? Chandarina? Do you want to die? Nah, you're fine. You're fine. Where do we go? Okay, let's just go to Grand Market. Let's just go straight. Never got this before. Well, I did. Just, that's a very hard thing to find. He's like, bring it on. So where is it? Oh, there it is. Bye. Oh, this place is not fun. Gotta find the keys for it though. I'm gonna leave me there. Hmm. What do I do? I guess try and go inside this guy rocket. Hmm. Hmm. I had to use my brain for this shit, bro. Fuck. 4439. 4439. 4449. 4448. 4458. 442. Fuck, man. I don't know what it is. Should I give up? What if it's just zero, bro? Fuck. Man. What number have I not tried? I tried all 50s already. I think I haven't tried 6. Let's go. Hey, yo. A handgun? Ooh. Yo, we're gonna get so many goodies in here. Hell yeah, dude. Oh, fuck. There's so much good shit in here. Yeah. Damn, more. Nice. Fire. Hmm. There's still more? Oh my god, this is a mother load, bro. Where do I go? Hmm. I think I'm gonna end it here, but I will come back on stream to get my new car. So give me like an hour, and by the time an hour hits or two, you're gonna see me driving a car. Okay? So thank you all for watching. Look at my camera real quick. Thank you all for watching today's stream and video. I'll be posting every day. Just about my schedule's there. You know my whereabouts. What I'm about to do. So that'll be it for me. Take care, everybody. Please have a great day. It is 7 a.m. in the morning for me. It's 7:30, and then I will have a long, long sleep. I think I'm gonna sleep first and then go to the dealer because I'm sleepy. I'm actually I'm not sleepy. I'm just tired. Like I don't know how to phrase that. Like I'm not sleepy. I just feel tired of life. But goodbye everybody. That'll be it from me. So yeah. Chat. Bye. See you later. And now for you.